In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lower ping or fix lag in Fortnite Season 9, but this will work for any other season as well. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the link in the description and open the NoPink Game Tunnel website. What you want to do now is click on install NoPink, and basically this application gives you a lot of servers around the world and lets you choose which one is the closest to you, so you get lower ping. Once it's downloaded, just click on it, click on yes, and install it. Once it's done, just click on finish, and now double click on the NoPink Launcher, click on yes. This is a pretty cool app because it lets you choose from servers around the world and really helps and really lowers your ping. I've used it for months now, from I don't know, for around 6-7 months, and it does really help, and it lowered my ping from 60 to around 20 or 25 at the most. Click on allow access, click on allow access again, and now what you want to do is click on register now and make an account, and then just log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. And once you're logged in, what you want to do is click on the search bar and type Fortnite and click on Fortnite. This application also works for other games such as Apex Legends and a lot of other games. If you play any of them, then just search it up in here and it can help you lower your ping in that game also. Once you type Fortnite and once you click on it, what you want to do is pick a country that is near to where you live. Or for example, I live near Germany. Because my country is not on the list, I live near Germany. So what you want to do now is just click on the Germany servers and wait for them to be optimized. Once they're 100% optimized, the ping will show here. If your country is on the list, then you can just if your country is on this list from others, then you can just pick your country and see which server has the lowest ping for you. So I'm gonna optimize the Germany servers right now and see which one has the best ping for me. Just remember that if you want the ping to show up, you must have Fortnite opened, and basically there it is. As you can see, I'm getting 46 ping with Germany 5 server, and you can just try all of them and see which one works the best for you and which one has the lowest ping. Once you're done, don't turn off the application, don't close it, just minimize it and play Fortnite. And once you're done playing, you can go back to the application and close it and turn it off. And that's the first step. The second step to lower your ping is basically to click on the search bar and type CMD, and right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator, click on yes. And now what you want to do is just type net sh int ip reset.txt. Once you type it, just click on enter, then type net sh winsock reset and click on enter again, and then type net sh adv firewall reset and click on enter again. You can now close the command prompt. And the next step is to open the Epic Games Launcher, click on settings, scroll to the bottom, click on Fortnite, check the additional command line arguments box and just type dash limit client ticks. And you can now close the Epic Games Launcher and restart Fortnite. Basically that's it for this video. Download the NoPink Launcher. It's a pretty useful app that will help you lower your ping, and try it out, see if it works. And I'm gonna be giving away free trial codes for the NoPink Launcher, so if you want to win one, just comment down below and with your email, and I'm gonna send it to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. Thanks for watching again, and bye.